today we're talking about something every woman deals with, but I find most ladies find it confusing, and that is vaginal discharge. Maybe you've looked down and thought, wait, is this normal? Maybe the color changed, the smell felt off, or things just didn't seem right. Don't worry, you're not alone and you're not dirty. Discharge is completely normal, but it can also be a way your body speaks to you. So, we'll be dividing this video into 3 sections. First, we'd like to know what exactly is discharge. Secondly, we'd like to learn the different types, colors, textures, and smells, and what they mean. And lastly, red flags to see a doctor. So hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is vaginal discharge? Vaginal discharge is a natural fluid that comes out of the vagina every day, and it is completely normal for women of reproductive ages. It's made up of water, mucus, and shedding cells from the vagina and the cervix. Think of it like your body's self-cleaning system. Just as your eyes produce tears and your mouth produces saliva to stay clean and moist, your vagina produces discharge to keep it moist, wash away dead cells and bacteria, and protect it against infections. So you should know that every woman's discharge can look and feel a bit different, especially depending on your cycle, because it can change throughout your menstrual cycle, especially around ovulation, pregnancy, or sexual arousal. Your discharge can also be affected by your stress levels, your hormones, and the medications you're taking. So now that we know what discharge is, let's talk about something that a lot of women worry about: the color of their discharge. What does it mean when you see white, yellow, or even brown discharge? Let's break it down in a simple way. Clear discharge is the most common and healthy type of discharge. It can be watery and light on some days, thicker and stretchy like raw egg white around ovulation, and this change is linked to hormones during your menstrual cycle. Now, milky white or creamy discharge is also usually normal, especially a few days before your period, early in pregnancy, after sexual activity as well. However, if it is very thick, clumpy, like cottage cheese, and itchy, this could be a sign of yeast infection. Yellow or green discharge is absolutely abnormal. It can also be a sign of sexually transmitted infections. It's usually thick, smelly, and foamy, and can be accompanied by itching and burning. Now, grayish discharge. This discharge is commonly linked to bacterial vaginosis. It often has a strong, fishy odor, especially after sexual activity. It needs very prompt medical attention to prevent complications. Brown or reddish discharge usually signifies old blood leaving your body. It's normal to see this at the beginning or end of your period and after you've missed the period as well. However, if it appears randomly between periods, especially after sex or menopause, it should be checked. Now let's talk about bloody discharge that comes when you're not on your period. This can signal infection, injury, hormonal imbalance, or even conditions like fibroids or polyps. If you're pregnant and experience bleeding or bloody discharge, it's important for you to see your doctor immediately. Okay, so here's how to know when your discharge is a red flag. When it comes with itching or burning, a very strong odor, green or gray in color, pain accompanying the discharge, unusual bleeding or spotting, and discharge lasting more than a week. If you notice any of this, please don't panic. Just book an appointment with your gynecologist immediately. Many infections are easily treatable, especially when caught early. Please don't self-medicate or guess. Now, lastly, let's talk about how to support your body so your discharge stays healthy. Always wear breathable cotton underwear. Avoid scented products and vaginal washes. Change your pads or tampons every 4 to 6 hours. Ensure you wipe from front to back and never back to front. Stay hydrated as much as possible and track your cycle. Discharge isn't dirty or embarrassing. It's your body's way of taking care of itself. So don't shame it, understand it. If this video helped you understand your body a bit better, I'm really glad. We need to have these conversations as ladies openly and without shame. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll be sure to answer all of them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to raise more awareness. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next one.